Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I want to talk to you about Google penalty. It will be a very short video because all I want to do is ask you if you have been affected by Google penalty before, if your website dropped suddenly in Google in organic search results, if you had a drop in traffic, and if you if you were affected and you recovered, I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to interview you because I am writing an article about Google penalty, and I'd love to hear tips. What worked for you? Because I helped a customer recover from Google penalty. It was manual penalty caused by bad backlinks, but there's a number of different elements that can cause manual penalty, from poor content, from redirects, from spam, affiliate links, and so on and so forth. I think there's like 15 different things. So I'd love to hear from you, what caused your penalty? If it caused, how did you notice? Did you get a message in Search Console? Did you notice the sudden drop in traffic and then it sort of made the alarms go? And basically, how did you recover? How did you know how to recover? Did you hire somebody? Did you do it yourself? And how long did it take you from the recovery to really get back to original rankings? Did you get back to original rankings? Did you get back to the same position in Google? And how long did it take you? Was it an overnight thing? Did it take a few months? Did it take more than a few months? Are you still in business? And I would love to interview you, so it would be a 3-minute interview, maximum 3-minute interview. You can be on camera, you don't have to be on camera, you can definitely keep your privacy. You can mention your business, you really don't have to as well. So this is also 100% up to you, and you can get the links to your website, or you don't have to, obviously. But this article and this video will be mentioned on my website as part of, obviously, on the blog, will be mentioned on my social media channels, which is YouTube, with over 400 subscribers. This is Instagram, so over 300 followers, and Facebook, my Facebook profile, Facebook page, Facebook group, SEO Facebook group that I run as well. And what else? I've got LinkedIn, and I think Pinterest, but nobody's using Pinterest these days for business. Well, I'm using, I'm there. So if you use Pinterest and you would love to follow me, you're very, very welcome. So anyway, it was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. If you would love to talk to me, if you would love to chat about Google penalty, let me know. You can leave a comment under this video, or whenever you see this video, it can be on my YouTube channel, it can be somewhere else, it can be on Facebook. The best way to really contact me is to follow me on Instagram. The link is in the video description, and you can then message me on Instagram through your phone. So I'd love to hear from you. Definitely let me know. I love to talk to you. I love to talk to you. I love to hear from you. So thank you so much for your time, and have a great day. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, because if you like this video and you don't hit like, it just will be so unfair, because I make so much effort making those videos. And if you like them, just let me know. Just let me know. I'll make more of them. And subscribe, hit the bell button so you know when I upload a new video. And also follow me on Instagram. I grow my Instagram at the moment, so this is my number one priority. So if you're on Instagram, definitely follow me. Okay. Chat with you soon. Bye.